Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make good bots on Character AI. So in order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser, then head over to character.ai. Now log in using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. On this page, click on the plus create button here. Now what you're going to do is simply enter your character name. For example, I will add Jesse Pinkman. Now you'll have to enter a small tagline, that is a short tagline of your character. In this area, you'll have to enter a comprehensive description. So a good character bot needs a detailed character. You'll have to create a backstory and set the context for the bot. You can also provide examples. Also, you can demonstrate how to specify interests, beliefs, and values and show how these attributes affect the bot's responses. So you can integrate this into your bot to make it a good character. After entering your description, you'll have to enter a greeting. For example, type in, "Hello, I'm Jesse. Ask me anything about my scientific contributions." So enter your greeting here and click on the voice button. Now choose a voice from these options. You can also add your voices. So I'm going to add this one. So after filling out all these fields, you'll have to click on the create character button at the bottom right corner. After that, you can see my character has been successfully created. So that's how you make good bots on Character AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.